Okay, also from the main screen, we can touch down in the lower left corner the maintenance button. That's going to bring up a selection of various items you can choose from alarms to check alarm status. You can jog the reel or the spindle and the traverser. It will also show you the position of both of those. If you go into the settings menu, it's going to ask you to enter the password. Once you get in there, you can change the max speed, the XL, decel, and turn the clutch lock off. The clutch lock is off at this point, meaning when the machine stops, the reel will freewheel. This prevents any sudden jerking motion when you stop the reel. It can be turned on if needed. Also, there's a monitor screen, allow you to see the positions. Once again, the speed in RPMs, the potentiometer voltage, and the laser loop sensor voltage. The PID screen requires a separate password. This is all the PID loop settings. This should not be touched unless you consult with the manufacturer first. This should be set for your machine. Like I said, if needed, you can contact us and we will help you through making changes there. The counter screen will show the count, your set point, allow you to reset, allow you to change from feet to meters, and there's also a scale factor. If for some reason the scaling is out on the actual wheel, which was calibrated to 1 foot and then converted to meters, you can actually change that scale factor if necessary. Also allows you to check the inputs, and from here you can also check the outputs, or you can get to the outputs directly. Also, there's a button for the analog. This once again allows you to see the potentiometer voltage, the loop sensor voltage, the loop sensor filter, and also a stop point. The stop point is the voltage amount at which the machine will stop if the loop gets to that point, so that you don't stretch any material. And then the kick feature. The kick feature is disabled at the moment, but you can turn it on. This adds an additional move at the flanges. Normally we have the delay where there's a dwell or a pause at each flange. If the kick is enabled, after that pause or delay, there will be actually a move, and that's set up by the pitch multiplier. So it's going to move this amount times the pitch out at this speed. So it's going to jump out quickly. Sometimes this is necessary to prevent that gap on the sides. Depending on the product, you may or may not need this. And once again, we go back to the main.